Number 1. 1975 Ford F-150, $5,000. This 1975 Ford F-150 is a highly original pickup in white paint with a clean title. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs fantastic with no issues and is said to be road-ready anywhere. With its originality intact and rolled-over odometer, it represents a dependable vintage truck that offers both usability and collectability at an attractive price. Number 2. 1974 Ford F-100, $4,800, Spokane, Washington. This 1974 Ford F-100 comes with a 360 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. With 140,000 original miles, it was farm used and stored in a barn for 30 years. The body has only minor surface rust and the interior is mostly original, showing honest wear. It runs strong, making it a great survivor candidate for either restoration or enjoyment as is. Number 3. 1979 Ford F-250 Custom, $5,000, Leon Valley, Texas. This Ford F-250 Custom features a newly installed 460 cubic inch V8 with under 1,000 miles. Though it does not currently run, the issue may be as simple as fuel line blockage or stale fuel. With 67,257 miles on the odometer and solid bones, this project pickup is an appealing choice for enthusiasts ready to finish what has already been started. Number 4. 1968 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $8,500, Newport, Washington. Owned by one family for more than 52 years, this camper special remains in very good condition. Equipped with a 352 cubic inch V8 and C6 automatic, it recently received $3,700 worth of professional running gear work. Showing 103,810 miles, it runs well without burning oil. The brakes need attention, but it is otherwise a strong candidate for restoration or reliable vintage driving. Number 5. 1972 Ford F-100 Ranger, $2,100, Bozeman, Montana. Known affectionately as Rudolph, this blue F-100 with a 360 cubic inch V8 has served its owner for 21 years. With a rolled-over odometer reading 36,760 miles, it has been mostly parked in recent years but still starts and runs. The title is missing, but the truck carries plenty of history and character, perfect for someone looking to bring a working-class classic back to life. Number 6. 1981 Ford F-100 Custom, $3,200, Portland, Oregon. This F-100 Custom has 205,000 miles on its durable 300 cubic inch inline-six, paired with a 4-speed manual. The brown pickup is a reliable workhorse with everything functional, though it needs some cosmetic and mechanical TLC. A solid, no-nonsense truck with a clean title, it is ideal for those who appreciate the rugged dependability of Ford's 6th-generation pickups. Number 7. 1980 Nissan Datsun King Cab, $2,500, Portland, Oregon. A rare survivor from the early Japanese pickup era, This silver king cab runs with its 2.4-liter four-cylinder and 5-speed manual. With 229,700 miles, it shows cosmetic wear, including dents and torn seats, but has good tires, brakes, and glass. It lacks power steering and has inoperative air conditioning, but remains a dependable vintage import truck with strong appeal to collectors of early Datsuns. Number 8. 1973 Chevrolet C20 pickup, $3,000, Coos Bay, Oregon. This Chevrolet C20 carries a 350 cubic inch V8 with automatic transmission and shows 26,214 miles on a rolled over odometer. In mostly original condition with gray paint and a nice interior, it runs well but needs new tires. At over 50 years old, this clean title truck would make a dependable daily driver or a rewarding restoration candidate. Number 9. 1985 Chevrolet S10 4x4, $500, Hillsboro, North Dakota. Offered as a project, this red Chevrolet S10 comes with a 2.8-liter V6, four-wheel drive, and 5-speed manual. The odometer shows 170,000 miles, but is broken. It currently needs transmission or clutch repair. Despite its fair condition, the price makes it an affordable entry into the classic compact 4x4 market. Number 10. 1968 Dodge pickup, $6,500, Sacramento, California. This yellow farm-used Dodge pickup has a 318 cubic inch V8 with a 3-speed manual. Mostly original, it comes with its original black and yellow license plates and a clean title. With 41,356 miles showing, it runs but requires a complete brake overhaul and additional restoration. A solid candidate for someone who appreciates Dodge's rugged late 1960s trucks. Number 11. 1969 Ford F-250, $9,500, SANTEE, California. This rear-wheel drive Ford F-250 shows around 100,000 miles and features a clean custom paint job. It is praised for having an exceptionally straight original tailgate, something hard to find on trucks of this vintage. With clean title and originality intact, this truck is priced at the higher end but offers collector-grade body condition. Number 12. 1978 Dodge W150, $6,500, Damascus, Oregon. This Dodge W150 comes with a 727 automatic transmission, full-time four-wheel drive, locking differentials, and a 6-cylinder engine. Recently refreshed with a new carburetor, fuel system, brake system, and fresh paint, it rides on 35-inch tires. Once used as a military vehicle, it is now a rugged classic, ready for both show and trail use. Number 13, 1972 GMC 5500 Flatbed Dually, $6,000, Englewood, Colorado. This GMC 5500 is a heavy-duty flatbed with dual rear wheels and a wood bed. Powered by a fuel-injected 440 cubic inch engine mated to a manual transmission, it runs and drives. With 18,335 miles showing, it is in good shape for its age and would make an eye-catching hauler or vintage workhorse. Number 14, 1981 Ford F-150 Custom, $6,000, Red Lodge, Montana. With 89,000 original miles, this green Ford F-150 Custom is in excellent condition. Recently revived after 20 years in storage, it received new tires and engine work. Offered with a clean title and retro camper topper, it presents as a well-preserved, lightly used truck that blends nostalgia with immediate usability.